I'd invite Kathy Sargent. She's one of those people who just makes you smarter by sitting next to her. She has a way of connecting innovation to what actually matters in the real world, and she does it with humor and zero pretense. So I feel like it would be the kind of dinner where ideas would flow as easily as the wine. She was one of the first people I met at my career when I started at Caravan Ingredients. And so I was on the marketing side and she was on the innovation side. And we would connect on business strategy and just get into conversations. Like we would just bounce ideas off of each other. And I loved to collaborate with her because she had a way of helping me understand the science in a way that made sense for my marketing brain. And I could help her kind of expand ideas for all of the thoughts that she had. And so we ended up being like a really good and collaborative pair. And then our friendship just blossomed out of it.